Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, I explain additive property of Poisson distribution. Additive property. What is additive property? For example, you consider n random variables, n independent random variables, x1, x2, and so on, xn, which are n independent Poisson variates with the parameters lambda 1, lambda 2, and so on, lambda n respectively, parameters for these variables. x1 parameter is lambda 1, x2 parameter is lambda 2, and so on, xn parameter is lambda n, like that. Then, which the moment generating functions I write here. The moment generating function of x1, that is mx1t, is equal to e power lambda 1 into e power t minus 1. You write clearly here, p power t minus 1, not here. You should write clearly. And mx2t for the parameter lambda 2, that is e power lambda 2 into e power t minus 1, and so on if you consider, m x and t, that is n random variable, nth random variable, moment generating function, that can be expressed mx and t is equal to e power lambda n into e power t minus 1. These are the moment generating functions of x1, x2, and so on, xn. Now, I consider the moment generating function of x1 plus x2 plus xn, that is summation xi. That is moment generating function of x1 plus x2 plus xn, which is written as summation I is equal to 1 to n xi. Okay. So, if you consider that the moment generating function of summation I is equal to 1 to n xi, t is equal to, so I am writing as clearly mx1 plus x2 plus and so on plus x and t is equivalent to be, by the additive property of the moment generating functions, it is a product of mx1t and mx2t and so on mxnt. What is mx1t? I write here. What is mx1t? E power lambda 1 into e power t minus 1 into mx2t. What is mx2t? E power lambda 2 into e power t minus 1 and so on, multiplied by e power, what is mxnt? E power lambda n into e power t minus 1. This is what the moment generating functions of n independent random variables, mx1t, mx2t, and so on, mxnt. Now, if you consider here, if you simplify this particular term, if you see in every particular term in the power, e power, of course, you know, e power a, e power b, e power c, etc. Then e power, we can write as e power a plus b plus c, in which e power t minus 1 is common everywhere. So, therefore, e power, if you consider e power t minus 1 is common factor, then lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda n, that is, I am writing lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus and so on plus lambda n multiplied by e power t minus 1. So, this is what the moment generating function of sum of the n independent random variables xi, right? So, this is what the moment generating function of sum of the n independent random variables x1 plus x2 plus xn. So, what is this? It is looking to be a moment generating function of Poisson distribution. What is the moment generating function of Poisson distribution? Just now we have e power lambda into e power t minus 1. In the place of lambda, what we have? Lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus and so on plus lambda n. So, therefore, the distribution, since by using uniqueness theorem of the moment generating functions, we can easily specify that the distribution of mxt is equal to myt, for example, then the distributions of x and y are equal, that is x is equal to y, that is f of x is equal to f of y, like that. So, therefore, here p of x is equal to p of y. Now, if you consider the uniqueness theorem of the moment generating function, the summation xi follows again a Poisson distribution, because this is looking to be a Poisson distribution with of the Poisson distribution with the parameters so lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda n, since it is looking to be a moment generating function of Poisson distribution. Therefore, summation xi, summation I is equal to 1 to n xi, which follows again Poisson distribution with the parameter lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus and so on plus lambda n. This is what we write in general. Okay, so there is x1 plus x2 plus xn follows again a Poisson distribution lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus and so on plus lambda n. Therefore, Poisson distribution satisfies the additive property. Poisson distribution satisfies the additive property. Hope you understand. Thank you.